Sorry about that. Hello YouTube. Now I'm going to be using I'm going to be showing you guys the percent divided and normal calculators. Anyway, let's start with a normal calculator. Don't know how to close this. Anyway, down. Calculator. Okay, so this is how you do it. You're going to import a scanner. So do not forget that. Write exactly as I do, and the scanner in capitals. And you're gonna. It doesn't really matter what you name your class, but I named mine calculator. You're gonna need that, as I've said before. It's public, and anyone can view it. And this is the main one. This is this first string line. And the scanner, well, that would be the new Boston. I'm just copying him so I don't get it wrong. It doesn't really matter what you name that. But I'm just going to name it Bucky for now. Equals new scanner, capital scanner, and capital scanner here. And then space, bracket, capital system, capital S in system, dot in, and another bracket, semicolon, enter, double F space fnum, and then comma space snum, comma answer, comma space answer, semicolon. So this is the sum, really. That's what the sum is. So this is the first number, and this is the second number. So F short for second number, first number, and S short for second number. Okay, now this is gonna print a line, and it's gonna say enter the enter first number, num. That's how I call it. Semicolon after, well, not semicolon actually, and then space, and then space speech mark, bracket, semicolon, and then enter fnum space equals space Bucky dot next double brackets, double brackets, semicolon, system, capital S in system, dot out, print line, and in brackets and in speech marks, enter second number, semicolon space speech mark, bracket, semicolon, and now the snum equals space Bucky dot next double in brackets and then semicolon. Enter answer space equals fnum plus snum plus space snum semicolon. Enter capital S in system dot out print line and then in brackets answer and then semicolon. And this is what you're saying right here. Okay, so that ends it. Press backspace after pressing enter, and then press enter again, and then go all the way up here to end it. And then we're gonna save this as, what would you want to save it as? But anyway, whatever you can save it as, .java is really important, and class is really important. So let's open up our compiler again. So this time we're going to go to the very beginning of our hard drive. Wait, did we already do that before? We probably did. Actually we did. Anyway. dir, the directories. Everything that I have in my directories. cd test dir. And this is what I have in there. Calculator.java. Well, actually, I have to do Java C calculator.java or whatever you named it, .java. Press enter, and this must come up. If something else does come up and it says an error, then you've done something wrong, and you have to copy exactly what I did. Anyway, back to this. So now we're gonna run the program. whatever you named your class, I named mine calculator, you're going to put in here. So Java space, whatever you named your class, enter first number. So what should we plus? 839. Actually, let's do a simple calculation. 16.0. It's also in decimal points. Okay. I'm going to show you guys a more complicated one. Actually, it's not really that complicated. All you have to change. Okay, so it's already gone overboard. There's something wrong with it. Okay, now there's nothing wrong with it. So this is the -1. So this is a minus calculator. This is divided. That /1 is divided. And times is shift 8. So anyway. Anyway, let's open up our compiler again and do exactly what we did before. We don't really need the directories, but CD, you need a folder. I'm going to show you that you need a folder. See, right here. Anyway, CD test. Okay, what was it? Let's just do dir. Now, whichever one you want to do. Okay, so X calculator is mine. Oh, there's also one I forgot to mention. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is the percentage, or modular. So, I'm just going to do a quick calculation for you guys. So, what's 10% of 100? That would be 10. Really simple. And this is the modular calculator. Some one. Anyway. Okay. So now that we have compiled it, let us run the program. Enter first number. So we're going to times it. 987 times 2. And that is obviously correct. So when I test another one, Java C, we must compile it, minus calculator.java, Java minus calculator, and enter first number. So let's try 1000 minus 500, which is obviously 500. Let's try another one. Divide calculator. I forgot the. Well, you get the point. See you later, YouTube, and look forward to my next tutorial.